Dear student, today in this lecture we are going to learn about the types of coordination compound. The types of coordination compounds are divided into two classes, which is based upon number A, types of ligand, in which same or different type of ligand are present, and second one is based upon the charge present on a coordination compounds. Now we shall discuss in detail the first type, that is based upon the types of ligand. This class is further classified as follows. The first type is homoleptic complex, and second type is heteroleptic complex. Now what is homoleptic complex or a compound? A complex or a compound in which one or same type of ligand are attached to central metal ion is known as homoleptic complexes. Now the example of homoleptic complex is NaCN by 4 dinegative. In this complex, central metal ion is attached to only one type of ligand, that is cyanide. That's why it is an homoleptic complex. Now another example we can take, that is COC2O4 by 3 trinegative. In this type of complex, cobalt, that is a central metal ion, attached to only one type of ligand, that is oxalate ion. That's why it is an homoleptic complex. And another subclass, that is heteroleptic complexes. What is a complex in which two or more types of ligand are attached to central metal ion is known as heteroleptic complexes. The example for heteroleptic complexes is CONH3 by 4 Cl2 1 positive. In this type of ligand, cobalt, that is central metal ion, attached to two types of ligand, that is amine and second one is chlorine. That's why it is an example of a heteroleptic complexes. Now the another class we shall discuss now, that is based upon charges. This class is further classified as first, that is cationic complex, second anionic complex, and third neutral complexes. Now we shall discuss one by one, that is first one, cationic complex. A complex which carry a net charge positive is known as cationic complex. The example of a cationic complex is CuNH3 by 4 dipositive. In this complex, the net charge is +2. That's why it is an cationic complex. Another example we can take, that is ZnNH3 by 4 dipositive. Now in this complex, net charge is +2. That's why it is also an example of a cationic complex. Now the second class, that is a anionic complex. A complex which carry a net charge negative is known as anionic complex. The example for anionic complex is FeCN by 6 trinegative. In this complex, the net charge is negative. That's why it is an example of a anionic complex. Now another example is NaCN by 4 dinegative. In this complex, net charge is negative. That's why it is an example of a anionic complex. Now the third class is a neutral complex. Complexes which carry neither positive or negative charge. Such complexes is known as neutral complexes. Now the example for neutral complexes is CONO2 by 3 NH3 by 3. In this complex, neither positive nor negative charge is present. That's why it is an example of a neutral complex. Another example, that is FeCO by 5. In this complex also there is no charge, positive or negative charge is present. That's why it is an also example of a neutral complex.